everyone, Youth Services Librarian Ellie Newell here with a quick tutorial to show you what it's like to sign up for summer experience. So here's our homepage, which is imagineiflibraries.org, and right here on the homepage is this blue icon that says Summer Experience with the little fox. So I'm clicking on that one, and that'll take us to our page that has a little bit more information about each of the different age groups and talks you through what those particular programs look like. But I'm just going to click here and take you to, this is the Beanstack page. And this is, of course, also available as a mobile app. You can download it for both an Apple or an Android device. So here we go, and it says register an individual or family. And I would like to register myself. So here I'm going to register myself. Okay, so I've entered my information here, and I've already unlocked an adult badge, which is excellent. So I would like to not add another adult, although you certainly can, but I would like to add a child. So I'm going to register my cat because he is my son. And he is 7 years old, and I'm just going to pretend he attends Big Fork Elementary School. And he has unlocked a badge. And that's all my children. So if you go to here is the adult summer experience, and I can start, clicking on here and completing these badges here. Or I can toggle to Gimli, my son, and here are all of his activities. So all of your family members will be linked right here, and that's how you can log badges. I hope this was helpful. Thank you. Take care.